So this record heat wave continues to not mess around. Meteorologist Joe Hansel across the United States. We had 49 locations break daily record highs. Even up in Alaska, had a couple locations break records with highs in the 70s and 80s in those particular locations. Hermiston, Oregon, 118 degrees. Boston, Boise, Spokane, Walla Walla, Washington all had record daily highs. And Canada, for the third day in a row, had the hottest temperature they've ever recorded in a location in British Columbia. Again, for the third day in a row, broke an all-time record high for the nation of Canada. From coast to coast, we have more heat advisories, excessive heat warnings to go around. Cities like Boston, New York City, Philadelphia, you have the heat. And of course, in areas out west that do not include Portland and Seattle, you have highs in the 80s today. But cities like Spokane, you'll be well over 100 degrees. Another day with a record high potentially. 107, 101 in Medford, Boise 103, 96 in Billings, Salt Lake City near 91. There's a lot of heat out there, and it'll continue to build eastward as we head into the holiday weekend. All that heat has to go somewhere, and it certainly is. We still have a lot of rainfall across the nation today as well. Miami had nearly 4 inches of rain. Good enough for a record yesterday. North Las Vegas, you had a record amount of rainfall yesterday as well. You officially recorded a trace. So a trace of rain was enough to break a daily record of rain for you. Areas of the Ohio and Tennessee River valleys, be mindful of heavy rain for the next few days. And areas of the Northeast, potential of an inch or more rain's looking pretty likely for the cities like Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, and Charleston, with locally heavier amounts. Also, keep an eye on severe weather possibilities. We're up to an enhanced risk later this afternoon, covering areas of Massachusetts near Boston. Damaging winds will be most likely with storms, but large hail. Can't rule out a tornado or two as well ahead of a cold front in areas in New England that's slowly cutting through. That stream of moisture stretches from Mexico, associated with a tropical storm, all the way across much of the nation for the day.